Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Ripple. And finally, we actually have some news, all right? I wanted to make a video about it yesterday, but it was very, very late where I live. So I thought the value of the video would be very low to make that in the evening. So now we're looking at it in the morning, all right? But we got the settlement. We talked about it yesterday. We've been talking about it for a while. And we actually got like the move we had. In general, I was already relatively bullish on XRP, right? And if you watch my video, and I don't want to brag, but you could have had an amazing trade, because what I said, and we'll get to the news very soon. But what we said is that this was the consolidation we were in. We were waiting for a breakout. We got the breakout, and we retested the level at 52 cents. Could have been an amazing trade, but like I said, it was late for me, so I wasn't actively trading. Got a nice spike, and now we are, we're holding the levels, all right? And what we're kind of trying to do is we're trying to either extend this, and the market is kind of trying to make sense of this news. Is it really bullish or not, all right? And there's basically two scenarios, which we'll get to in a moment. But first of all, no, Bloomberg with the paywall. But no, what happened is that Judge Torres imposed a $125 million fine on Ripple after finding that its institutional sales of XRP violated federal security laws. And she reiterated her view that Ripple's programmatic sales of XRP to retail clients did not violate federal security laws. So with this, it is over, or at least as I understand it, the lawsuit is over. They first had to pay like $2 billion, and now $125 million. I mean, it's still a lot, all right? And that's also kind of the worry I have. Like for me, the news is bullish, right? Because this news has been kind of like a burden upon Ripple or XRP for such a long period of time, which not only hinders the growth financially, because it costs a lot of money to keep something like this going, but also spiritually. If there's so much of your mental capacity going to such a big lawsuit, that's going to hinder growth. But now the question is that $125 million fine too much, all right? And is it too late? Like, has this whole lawsuit brought down the project so much that it's basically, now that the whole SEC catalyst is over, that it's just over for Ripple? That's a possibility, right? That's scenario one, where this fine is going to be very difficult to pay. They will have to sell a lot of XRP. It will take a long period of time, costing them money every single month, and that they won't be able to build out the project anymore due to the cost of that. And in general, that this is the end, all right? That's scenario one. And scenario two, and I think we still have to kind of see how this plays out. Scenario two is that this lawsuit was a burden. They have enough money to pay the fine. Who knows? It's a pretty big market cap, all right? And they're selling quite a lot of XRP per year still. And that they can pay the fine, and that now they can finally focus on XRP again. They can get some sort of a strong market maker for the price. They can build new partnerships. They can build new utility. In which case it would be very, very bullish, right? So we're waiting for which one of those two scenarios is going to be the outcome for XRP. I think it's going to be difficult to predict that, but I do think, like, for me, my eyes are on this level right here at like 67 and 66 cents, all right? That's the level we kind of spiked up to last night. That was also the main resistance level we had 1.5 weeks ago. I think that's going to be the crucial level to test whether or which one of the two scenarios, at least on the short term, is going to be the scenario. So right now, what you can see is that there is, well, obviously yesterday we gained a lot of momentum. We're still gaining momentum. So I think we're going up to that level right here. And then the big question is how will we react to that level? And I will keep you updated on that, because honestly, like, I cannot predict that. I think the two scenarios we talked about are very much 50-50. And it very much depends on how we hit this level. If we hit this level, we liquidate a lot of shorters, and we are starting to lose momentum from there, then honestly, we'll probably just get back to what we were doing, which is consolidating a lot in this area between 50 and 67 cents. But if we get up to that level and keep our momentum and actually get some sort of a close above that, then I think that scenario of the burdens being released from XRP and XRP actually becoming a valuable crypto project again is the likely scenario. And in that case, we can rally much, much higher. Like 75 cents would be the obvious psychological target. But technically 85, 90 cents is a possibility then as well. So I will keep you updated on that. Short term, like I said, I expect bullish momentum. Due to the technical situation, I would say we'll find resistance there at least initially. And then afterwards, I'll keep you updated on that, all right? Because like I said, it depends a lot on how we react to that level. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.